Hello everybody, Mark here, and bringing you another culinary skills demonstration video where we're going to take this potato and demonstrate the 5 major cuts that we do in the kitchen. Okay, let's get started. So this is our friendly potato. Right now it kind of rolls around a little bit. What I like to do always is take first of all, your claw grip of your hand is going to hold the potato. Your other hand is going to go on the chef knife, your 3 fingers to the back, and then you're pinching the blade at the front, and you're going to be using this kind of in a claw grip in a rocking motion across your potato. So to get this potato nice and stable, I'm just going to simply just kind of square off the bottom end first to get started. Okay, so that piece we can just kind of put off to the side. Now my potato stands up on its own. So if I take this potato, I'll demonstrate just a simple slice. So the slice I'm going to do right now is going to be about, I'd say about a 1/2 inch thick. Okay, so there's a 1/2 inch thick slice. From that slice, I can do different things. I'll do maybe one more. So there's another slice, just about the same. So I'll put these off to the side. Now I have a slice of potato. Okay, from this slice of potato, I'm going to take it, I'm going to lay it down flat, and I'm going to do about a 1/2 inch as well, kind of across the potato, almost like thick French fries cuts. So now I have all my slices that are all basically 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch kind of rectangle squares. That would be my slice, and then this would be my julienne kind of a cut. I can take my slices now and do a dice by simply turning them 90 degrees, and then just coming across again by 1/2 inch, and just kind of making, again, they call it the dice because it's kind of like the size of a dice that you would use for Monopoly. Okay, so that would be a simple dice. Okay, we'll put that off to the side. Again, with the potato, I'm going to do a much finer slice now. So this one's going to be probably about a 1/4 inch thick. So this will be a 1/4 inch thick slice, so it's a little bit thinner. From that 1/4 inch thick slice now, I can do, again, 1/4 inch strips out of that slice. So again, I've got similar to what I did last time for the dice, but these would be a little bit finer. They would be, again, like a different size of a julienne. If I want to do a real fine julienne, right, I would take perhaps one more slice out of this guy right here. I'm just going to tip this up to the side. Okay, I'm just going to come down. Oh, I'm going to do it this way here. Okay, so if I come down through here right there, nice and fine. I'm going to do very, very fine, almost like matchstick size pieces, and that would be a fine julienne. So by running my knife through that way, I get a nice fine julienne. Okay, and then that would be another cut. Now the mince, if I were to take this fine julienne, for example, right here, this is the fine julienne pieces. To do a mince, I just kind of simply kind of corral them all up. Again, with my claw hand kind of over top of it, and just with a rocking motion, I'm just going to run through that nice and fine. Okay, I believe the term for this is also a brunoise, but I'd have to check that out to be certain. But this is also bringing it very fine. And if I want it finer than that for a mince, I could simply just put my hand on the back of the spine, which is non-sharp, and I could just kind of rock my blade through that to get it as fine of a mince that I'm looking for. So that's kind of, in a nutshell, that's the basic cuts. We did the slice. The slice turns into a dice. A thinner slice is also referred to as a julienne. And then from the julienne, you could also go a little bit finer to make the matchstick juliennes. And from there, you could do a mince. So those are the 5 basic cuts that we use in our kitchen. And once you master the skill, and again, it's practice and repetition, once you get better and better at using a chef knife, you become more comfortable, and then we worry about speed and performance later. No, you don't need to worry about speed when we're learning. Let's try to get the basic fundamentals correct, and we get better as we go. Have fun in the kitchen. Thanks.